Okay, so welcome to a new one. So in the last video I did, I was telling you guys about Zeta Labs. I explained what Zeta Labs is, and I was like telling you guys that whenever you come to this site, it always shows you network is under maintenance, or here it says network is under exceptional high traffic, swap is disabled. But it also says Zeta Labs is now on Athens-3. So like with what I even said last time, like all the transactions you have done on Athens-2, which is the testnet they migrated from to Athens-3, will still be there. The points you have earned, like for now, this is just a new account, and if you click on the link, I'll put the link in the bio. Like I have an invite list to earn you 5,000 Zeta points, and I just got 5,000 Zeta points. But now you have to actually swap to get 7,000 more, and keep swapping to get more points. Like the more points you get, the higher the possibility of you getting an airdrop and stuff like that. But after getting these 5,000 points, that's for my invite list, you can't be able to swap. Why? Because like I said, this has already migrated. So I just want to show you guys everything I talked about in the last video on how to go about this. So the first thing you should actually do is you should come to this place. Wait, I'm going to leave all these links in the description, so don't stress, don't worry. You have everything. You should first come to this site, that's the official Zeta Lab site, and connect to their Discord. Connect to their Discord and verify yourself. You can see here is Discord. I also advise you to follow them on Twitter. But don't forget, you can see if you click on this link, you can see here is Twitter, it shows it, and here is Discord. Connect to their Discord and follow their Twitter. Now after doing that, the next thing you should come to is you come to this docs that shows you. It says here we are transitioning from Athens-2 to Athens-3. I talked about everything in the last video. So this is what you do. You should have a MetaMask by now. If you don't have a MetaMask, please, I will link the video at the top corner description. You should just, it's a detailed video on how to set up this wallet. So you come here and then you click on this place, and it says add network. I've already added it. I'm just going to show you how to add yours. You click on add network. When you click on add network, it takes you to this place, and then you click on add a network manually. Now when it says add network manually, you should see it says network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. This is optional, but everything is already here in the docs. So it says RPC URL. Wait, let me drag this here. So this is where you put the RPC URL. The network name should obviously be Zetachain. The currency symbol is Zeta. Currency symbol is Zeta. The chain ID 7001. If I make a mistake. So you should put the chain ID here. Then the block explorer, this is the block explorer. Just all this is, you have to just highlight it, copy it, this block explorer, and paste. Let me do it. Chain ID, copy, chain ID, paste, RPC, copy it, and you paste. Currency symbol is obviously Zeta, and then this should be Zetachain, Zeta CHE. Wait, why is this CHEIN? And then currency symbol. Wait, okay, currency symbol is Zeta. Probably why this is not going to work for me is because I already have it here. Oh wait, let me just try this. I already have this currency symbol. Yeah, it says Zeta now, But don't worry, if you just do this, you already have it here. So I guess that's why it's not going to work for me. I already have it. This is it. This is my own Zeta. This is it. Oh wait, let me put this in caps lock. Sorry. So, but you get the point that when you put all these things, you click on save, and it automatically saves this network for you. I don't know if I copied the docs right. I'm sorry, I don't know if I copied the RPC right. Let's check it. If it doesn't work, I will do it again. But you get the point though. You copy everything. Okay, you see it. Put the chain ID. I didn't copy the whatever. Okay. This URL is going to be the Zetachain network. Like I said, I already have it. That's why it's not working. I already have it here. See, it's Zetachain. So once you put everything in this order, like I did, remember I will link this in the description so you will have everything. Then you click on save and it saves it. And by the time it saves it, this will be 0. Why I have some here is because I've already gotten some of this, and I will show you how to get it. So this will be 0. So after this step, the next thing you do is you go to the Discord. Remember I told you to what do they call it, join their Discord and verify. I've already joined their Discord and verified. Now when you go to the Discord, let's go to, where is, okay, this is the announcements. Let's go to the announcements section of things, and as you can see here, it says we are excited to share Zeta Labs has successfully migrated to Athens-3 Zetachain's long-term testnet. Here are a few key updates for users. So it explains everything about Zetachain, and I just don't want to start going into details about it. If you come here, you can read about it. Remember, once you join their Discord and you verify yourself, it's straightforward. When you join their Discord, you should first come to verify and try to verify yourself. I've already done that. Then you come to announcements, and then you look for this. So this is like the 1, 2. This is like the third announcement before the last 2 below. So you see everything here, but I want to just talk about this place. Say okay, all Zeta app developers are deploying apps and testing on Athens-3 in preparation for Zetachain mainnet. Like I said in the last video, this is the last stage before the mainnet, so you should take this serious. Anyway, how do you get the Zeta faucet? When you come here, you see it says to get Athens-3 test Zeta, visit the new Zeta faucet Athens-3, which is down here. If you can see, this is faucet as Athens-3, then this is Athens-2. You don't need this, you need this. But for you to be able to type here, I'll still go here. The first thing you must do is that you must Twitter authenticate via Discord's link rules. So it's very easy to do here. You should just go to this place. Now when you go here, it shows you the steps. Remember, let me go back so you can see what I clicked to get here. Go to announcements. When you click on Discord, then you look for this particular news or announcement, and when you come to say to get Athens-3 test Zeta, visit the new Zeta faucet Athens-3, which I've shown you. But you can't ask for test funds if you have not yet linked your Twitter account. So then you come here, and then you see this. It shows you how to get the faucet. It says if you want to get the faucet, when you have verified your Twitter account, you must first type Zeta faucet drip, your wallet address. This is your wallet address. After connecting your after putting the new chain, use your wallet address. You copy your wallet address. You first type in Zeta faucet drip, you paste your wallet address, and then you paste Zetachain, because this is on Zetachain. You can also do the same thing for Goril, BSC, and Mumbai. Here you can go do it for Goril, because as much as you need Zetachain, you'll be also swapping to other chains, because Zeta is more like a protocol where you can swap from one chain to the other. That is like its basic rule in Web3. It's trying to bridge that gap from swapping from, you can go from Ethereum to Solana, from Solana to Polygon, from Polygon to Binance Smart Chain. So that's just like layer 0. But like I said, if you want to get any of the faucets, you don't forget to put Zeta faucet drip, your wallet address, which you copy here. So if you also go to Goreo, this should be your wallet address if you want to request for Goreo. But if you are going to request for Zeta, like I've already done, make sure that you do Zeta faucet drip, copy this address, paste it, and type at the end the network you are looking for. So how do you verify your Twitter account? It comes here. If you come here, it shows you everything. It says you go to this place. As you can see, it says here, this is the number one step. You click here. When you click here, look at this is the number two step. You clicked on linked rows. And when you clicked on linked rows, it says connect your accounts or apps to get links in this server. Then you click on for set access. As you can see, mine is ticked because I've already verified it. When you click on this, it will prompt your Twitter account. You verify your Twitter account, and once this is ticked for you, then you can come here. And request for the faucet. Like you can see everybody, this person is saying Zeta faucet drip, his wallet address plus Goreo. This person is asking for Goreo. This person is asking for Mumbai. This person is asking for Zetachain. So you just get the point. So when you do this, you obviously get some Zeta. They will send you like 3 Zeta. It's not much, and you actually only request for Zeta every 48 hours. So probably in 2 days. So if you get 3, you can wait for 2 days and request again to keep swapping. Now the next thing you do, like I said, this place is not working. I've tried, it's not working. I will also put a link to this place I'm about to show you now. You are going to go to this site. You know, many of us, we only know about this particular site for swapping, but we don't know that Zetachain has other things in the ecosystem. There's other platforms. Like you can come, when you come to this place in the ecosystem, if you can see, it says this like DeFi, this gaming, this NFT, this a whole lot of things, and all these are live on Athens-3 Testnet, not Athens-2. Probably that's why they are migrated to Athens-3 before mainnet. So all these things are live on Athens-3 Testnet. So that's why it's advisable to just not do this, but also do this part. And like I said, here is not even working, so just go straight to this part. Now for this part, most of these things are on testnet, so they are not actually working. I've tried some of them, they are not working, and I've found some that are actually working, like 2, and I'll still be finding. But for now, I'm only on DeFi. I'll still be going. But once you come to this site, you can play around with it. You know, you can, like I said, I'm on DeFi, so I've tried to, which I will show you now. But after that, you can also in your spare time come to gaming, because remember, the more you interact with this chain, the more points you get. And remember, just when I'm compiling this video, I'll also put the link to the invite. So immediately you click on my invite link, you actually have 5,000 Zeta points, and then you can start swapping and any more points like that. So like I said, you can come to gaming, you know, check gaming. When you come here, this guy doesn't have a website, so you don't bother. This is the website link. Just click on it and open it in a new tab, and you know, try it out, see what's happening there. So for now, I've tried most of these ones on DeFi, and for now these are the only 2 ones I've seen that actually made a swap. These 2, I made a swap here. Like if you can see my wallet, you can see that I actually made 2 swaps today. So this place, if you come to this website, which is starksport.finance, this should be it. Look at it here. I clicked here, I went to starksport.finance. When you come to this site, you connect your wallet obviously, and then you come to this place and you click on swap. Now when you click on swap, as you can see, it's showing you I already have 0.99 Zeta, which if you check my wallet is the same thing that is there. So you select Zeta, and I swapped to test BTC. Probably I'll swap back. Let's swap back test BTC to Zeta. Then I have to approve my token, and max, next, approve. Waiting for this guy to approve, so probably I can swap. So this is working to the best of my knowledge. While we're waiting for this, you can also come to this site. When you come to this site, you connect your wallet, and it's just straightforward. It shows you which place to it's like you see Zeta Testnet, you click on it and you click on Zeta because you obviously have Zeta, and then you click on, I clicked on actually Goril because like I said, you can swap to different places. Look at BSC here, probably look at Polygon Mumbai, you know. So I clicked on Goril and I I clicked on Goril and I clicked on it actually, and then you can swap 25%, 50%, whatever, just swap. And you know, when it's finished loading and puts it in equal proportion like you just did, you click on swap and probably it prompts your wallet like you just did mine, confirm, and in no time it will show you that okay, your swap was successful. So you should just do this for as many as you can do. Like, come to this place, play around with it. Don't just go to DeFi, go to gaming, go to infrastructure, go to NFT, play around with it. You see, it says approved token success. Now I can swap. This is on starksport. Now I can swap. Let's wait for it to approve. Okay, you see what I'm saying? You confirm, you swap, and here it's my swap has already gone. You see they have debited me. If you check my wallet, okay, this one is on the other chain, that's on starksport. Look at the third one I just did now. Oh, you see, it has even completed. So you just play around with it and have fun. Remember, don't forget to follow them on, what do they call it, on Discord. Follow them on Twitter. Come to the Discord and verify yourself first. Click on announcements, go up, scroll up, find this place, then come to this place in Discord. Look at how to get the faucet, link your Twitter account, hope to get verified, and then you come down to this place to access faucet. You come down to this place to access, where is that place? Okay, to access faucet. And when you come to this place, you also come to this website, and like I said, there are a lot of things to do here, so just play around with it. So please, if you like stuff like this, don't forget to give us a like. I do my own research and I try to make sure that you get the best of anything called airdrop content in the whole of cryptocurrency, because seriously you should pay attention to airdrops. Is like the, should I say, is like the base layer to be introduced into cryptocurrency. You know, most of the times you don't have to spend money to actually make some money here. Most of these things are free of charge. You are not paying any money. Some of them are also paid, some of them are paid, but not all of them are paid. Like this one is now free, so like it's a win-win. You are not losing anything. All you just need to do is just probably your data and your time. So like I said earlier, please, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one. God bless you.